Getting the Ikon install app set up is a key step in the overall installation process. Once a device is installed in the vehicle, you need to download and open the Ikon app and begin the digital configuration. To set this up, confirm that the dealership's network supports secure Wi-Fi or Ethernet connectivity. The system should be usable from any device with an internet browser, but double-checking the browser to avoid unexpected issues. Google Chrome is preferred. Once you open the Ikon install app, click the Dealer Solutions tab, which will bring you to the login screen. Enter your Ikon Solutions credentials, which is your username and password, and tap the login to access the system. After logging in, navigate to the Install tab. This is where you'll input all the key information to activate and register the device. Begin by scanning the serial barcode found on the sticker that comes with each Ikon device. This ensures that the app links to the physical device to the correct vehicle record. Next, enter the stock number of the vehicle in the designated field, which helps the dealership keep track of the vehicle internally. Below that, you'll find a field labeled Group. This refers to the store or dealership location. Select the appropriate group to make sure the device is registered to the right account. Then, move on to the VIN. You can scan the VIN barcode directly from the driver's side dash or manually input the VIN if needed. This step decodes the vehicle's details and connects it to the right Ikon device in the system. Next, add the vehicle color and select the vehicle type from the available options, such as new, used, rental, etc. Be as accurate as possible here, as these fields are critical for reporting and the system running smoothly. Finally, enter the odometer reading. This ensures the mileage at the time of installation is recorded, providing a starting point for any future mileage-based services like recommending oil or tire changes. Once all fields are complete, tap the Next button at the bottom of the page. This will take you to a confirmation screen. Here, take a moment to review all of the information you've just entered. Double-check the VIN, stock number, store location, and all vehicle details are correct. This is your final chance to make edits before the data is submitted to the system. By following each step carefully and verifying your entries, you ensure the Ikon app is correctly set up and ready to begin monitoring the vehicle. Accurate setup now prevents problems later and makes you the go-to expert for smooth installations.